Hi, my name is Peter Pan and I live in a magical place called Neverland. In Neverland, time stands still and children never grow up. I live here with my fairy friend, Tinker Bell, and a group of other lost boys. One day, while flying above the clouds, I hear a strange noise coming from outside the window of our treehouse. Curious, I zip down to take a closer look. And there, on the windowsill, I see a girl named Wendy Darling. Wendy tells me about her adventures, her love for stories, and her desire to never grow up. I am intrigued and decide to show her the wonders of Neverland. With a sprinkle of fairy dust, I take Wendy, along with her brothers John and Michael, on a thrilling flight to Neverland. In Neverland, we encounter mermaids, pirates led by the infamous Captain Hook, and even a ticking crocodile. Wendy and her brothers quickly join our gang of lost boys, and together, we embark on daring escapades across the island. But as time passes, Wendy grows homesick and misses her parents. She longs to return to her own world. Sensing her sadness, I make a plan to take her and the boys back home. With a heavy heart, I bid farewell to Neverland and fly them all back to London. As Wendy, John, and Michael return to their parents, I watch from afar, knowing that I will always be a part of their adventures. Even though I cannot stay in their world, I am content knowing that I have brought joy and wonder into their lives. Neverland will forever be a place where imagination thrives, and I, Peter Pan, will continue to live in the hearts of children forever. Thanks for listening to my story. Yours sincerely, Mr. Pan.